Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious shrimp with butter. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of large, raw shrimp, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 4 to 6 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 fresh lemon. Make sure your shrimp are peeled and deveined, then pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for a good sear. Have your skillet ready, as this dish cooks quickly. Now let's get cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add your minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Next, add your prepared shrimp to the skillet in a single layer. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn pink and opaque. Avoid overcrowding the pan to ensure even cooking. Once your shrimp are perfectly pink and opaque, remove the skillet from the heat to prevent overcooking. Overcooked shrimp can become rubbery. Now, it's time to add some bright flavors. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and, if you like a little kick, a pinch of red pepper flakes. Finally, garnish your beautiful butter shrimp with 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and a lovely aroma. Your garlic butter shrimp is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite sides, like a bed of pasta, fluffy rice, or some crusty bread to soak up all that delicious sauce. This quick and easy meal is perfect for a weeknight dinner or when you want something special without a lot of fuss. It's truly a crowd pleaser. And for more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.